Life is temporary. Days do not last. It will not be the same. After nightfall comes day, and after day comes night. Remember that. That's the plan of Allah. A lot of us are sad because of something temporary. You lost wealth. Everybody's lost wealth. Nobody seated here has not suffered a loss. Everybody has. They've dealt with it differently. They've suffered at different levels. Allah tests you according to your level. In one narration, the hadith says, Allah tests you according to how much He loves you. When He loves you more, He tests you more. That's a hadith. It's because when you have a problem and an issue, it is human nature that when you have a problem, you start looking for solutions. And a believer will look for solutions by getting close to Allah. So when Allah wants you to become very close to Him, He gives you a bigger problem, because He knows if you didn't have this one major issue in your life, perhaps you wouldn't even be bothered about reading salah. You wouldn't even be bothered about calling out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah says, you know what? Think about those who have less so you can appreciate what you do have. When you want to be sad, then you look for sadness even when there's happiness glaring you in your face. You need to know this. Why then do we say I'm sad? So the whole world will be sad. Who is going to thank Allah?